Okay, this HMI display is working, and this HMI display is also working, and this one is working properly. When it comes to here, it does work. So what the problem behind? So let's open and check together. Let us open it. Okay, now let us check. Oh, the 24-volt DC plug line was disconnected. That's why it doesn't work. And then we'll flag. Then now it works or not. We'll check. Okay, so this 24-volt is gonna be plugged in this P line, and then finally connected on those. Yes, the problem is easily find it and solve it. Now this HMI is working properly, so we need to have a chute number, chute direction, and destination mode is also gonna be displayed here. So there is it.